Today, Georgie Bat is going to go on an aeroplane. I wonder if you can spot what he's going to eat today. Will he eat a cake on the aeroplane or will he eat a sandwich on the aeroplane? Georgie Bat, come and go to play. Georgie Bat, what will he do today? Oh, Georgie, you are at the airport. First, you are going to go down the escalator. Be careful at the bottom. Now you have to go to the right terminal. Which terminal is it, Georgie? Oh, number 2. Here we are at departures, Georgie. First we weigh our bags on the scales. Then we go this way through security to the shops. Here we are in the shops. What can we buy, Georgie? We can buy pillows and things to use on the aeroplane. We can buy souvenirs like these little teddy bears. Now we've got some time to watch the vehicles outside. Can you see the bus? And there is the aeroplane. Let's go to the toilet before we get on the aeroplane. Well done, Georgie. You are ready with your passport and ticket. We are going to go on the bus to the aeroplane, Georgie. Where is your seat, Georgie? Georgie is reading the safety card. Here we go, Georgie. Are you ready for the plane to take off up into the sky? Now we are taking off. Up into the sky. What can you see below, Georgie? Can you see the fields and the trees? Don't they look small? Can you see the clouds, Georgie? Going through the clouds is bumpy. And now we're above the clouds. Time to choose what you want to eat, Georgie. Are you going to eat a sandwich or a cake? Oh, a cake. And water to drink. We are nearly there, Georgie. Georgie Bat enjoyed going on an aeroplane today. I wonder if you'll go on an aeroplane soon. Georgie Bat, come and go to play. Georgie Bat, what will he do today?